In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix perceived gaps or unfilled price data on TradingView. If you've noticed that your price charts seem to be missing some data or appear choppy, you're not alone. There are a few steps you can take to straighten this out, and I'll guide you through them. Let's start with some general chart fixes. The simplest way to deal with a temporary data hiccup is to refresh your chart. You can do this by clicking the refresh button located right next to your browser's URL bar. If that doesn't quite do the trick, try performing a harder refresh by pressing Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or CMD plus F5 if you're using a Mac. This ensures any stale data is fully reloaded. Sometimes the issue can be with your browser itself. An overloaded cache can interfere with how data is loaded onto TradingView, making it important to periodically clear your cache and cookies. Head over to your browser's settings, find the section for clearing this data, and give it a go. While you're there, it's also a good idea to check that both JavaScript and WebGL are enabled, as TradingView relies on these technologies for proper functioning. If you have several TradingView tabs open or multiple other applications running, this can also lead to issues with data display. Try closing any unneeded tabs or applications to see if this helps resolve the gaps. Now, if you're dealing with specific indicators that tend to show gaps, you'll need to take a closer look at their settings. For example, if you're using a gap detection indicator that might be a custom script, it typically comes with adjustable settings. You might alter how gaps are displayed by choosing to close them partially. This adjusts the visual representation as the gap data gets filled. Another setting you could tweak is the max gap trail length, which limits how far into the future the gaps stretch, keeping your chart clean and easier to interpret. For smaller gaps, consider showing the data in labels instead of a larger, more obtrusive box. It condenses the information and maintains focus on the overall price movement. Alternatively, there are no gap indicators available that automatically adjust the price series. These indicators account for variations due to overnight or weekend price differences, and you can use them to convert your price display as if gaps didn't take place. Look around for a pre-built or open source one, which should be readily available given the active community around TradingView. Should you still face issues after following these steps, it might be a worthwhile step to delve into the indicator's specific documentation. There you'll find more tailored advice or points to adjust for that particular tool. And, if all else fails, reaching out to your broker or TradingView support might bring you additional insights for solving the problem. And there you have it, some practical ways to ensure your TradingView experience is seamless and visually accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps straighten out any data kinks you might be experiencing.